Hi, this is Christy Matthews. I hope you're having a great day. I've got a great topic here for you today, and it is 5 Facebook advertising tips for the small business owner for 2019. Now, before I go ahead and get started, how many here comment it please below if you use Facebook advertising? If you do, would you put in the comments yes? And if you don't use Facebook advertising, please put in the comments no. Okay, so here we go. These are 5 great tips, and I've got one huge one in here that's going to be at the end, so you're going to want to listen in to the very end to get that one. It's epic. Okay, so the first one is Messenger ads. Messenger ads are very cheap and they're very easy to do. And what you can do with them is pretty cool. There is a technique called the trifecta technique. And what it is that you run an ad through Messenger, and the Messenger bot will pick up the contact in Messenger. You can program it in such a way to where you can collect the person's email as well and direct them to a lead magnet to where they will receive something from you of value in return for them clicking on that link. Either, again, providing an email, and it may go to the blog post, for instance, to receive something from your blog. It is a trifecta, and what the third part of it is that once that person ends up going to your blog post or to an ad of some sort, you get them picked up on your Facebook pixel. So that's the trifecta. You get them in Messenger, you get them on your email list, and then your Facebook pixel is picking them up as well. And that's the retargeting pixel if you're not familiar with what that is. Okay, the next one is if you're going to run Facebook ads, turn off Instagram ads. The latest research is saying that Instagram ads are not very effective for the majority of users. And the reason is that the majority of users are not utilizing Instagram advertising very well at this point in time. That might change down the road as Instagram advertising becomes more popular. When you run a Facebook ad, you'll see in the ads manager where it will ask you if you want Facebook to push out your ad wherever they deem fit, and it might include Instagram. Turn off Instagram. In fact, you want to control where Facebook is showing your ad, because if you're going to allow them to push it out where they want to push it out to, the ad will get out there, but it may not get out to the audience you want to receive it. So make sure that you create a custom audience and make sure that Facebook shows it to the audience that you created. Okay, the next one is Facebook has an A/B testing feature. It's not the best, but it's going to get better. And if you're going to run Facebook ads, you may as well test the ads by changing the headlines, changing the image, and see which ad is actually performing better. So it's all part of advertising, so you do want to get the most return on your investment by making some tweaks and changes to the ads that you're running. Duplicating ads. Now, this is something you don't want to do. Every time you duplicate an ad, Facebook sees it as a new ad. So what's better is, and I'll give you an example, if you have 10 duplicated ads and you had, say, 10 comments on each one of the ads, you have 10 ads with 10 comments each, but collectively there's 100 comments there. So what's better is to take one of those posts that has your ID number on there and share that post, and what happens is that you'll end up getting more of the benefit, the social proof benefit of the other people who have commented on the other post. Hopefully that makes sense. You have to go into your business manager to make that work. Lastly, this is huge, folks. Now, whenever you're learning a new technique, what sports is a great analogy. Let's say you're learning how to improve your golf swing. So do you just go up and just start swinging at the ball, or would you go ahead and maybe watch an expert like Tiger Woods? Or, you know, I don't watch much female golf, but so a name of a female golfer at this point is just not coming to mind. But in either case, you're going to watch a famous golfer and watch their swing. You're going to watch their approach. You're going to watch how, you know, their shoulder position, their follow through, their footwork, the whole bit, and you're going to want to, you know, to do the same thing. You're going to want to copy from them. Now, you're not going to end up with the same identical swing. What you're looking for is the technique. So when you are doing Facebook advertising or any kind of multimedia type of advertising, or, you know, blogging, whatever the case is, you want to treat it as if you're learning a new sport. You're going to want to observe what others are doing and what is working for them. I mean, Tiger Woods, we don't have to speak much about him. His reputation is very much about how much he practices, he gets coached, how much he works on his technique. All of the best practices are there. So if you want to be the best in the world, why not learn from the best, right? So the same thing with social media. So why not go ahead and take a peek at what your competitors are doing and look at what their ads that they're running? Did you know that you can do that? If you go to their business page, there is a tab called Info and Ads. So if you go ahead and you click on their Info and Ads section, if they're running ads right now that is working for them, you will see them listed there. It is absolutely phenomenal. And then what you can do, it's not that you should be copying their ads. You should be looking for characteristics within their ads that you should learn from. You know, are they bolding print? How are they saying their lead-in statement? What kind of images are they using? Are they using images? Are they using video? Look at the characteristics and learn from them. Some great ones to learn from are, you know, like Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, Thomas Bilyeu. Look at their ads and see what they're doing. The reason why they get so much social share is because they're very good in this area. And if somebody's got an ad that's running, look at how long it's been running. And if it's been running for a long time, I can guarantee you it's an ad that's performing for them. Otherwise, they wouldn't continue to put money behind it. So that's it today. Those are the 5 tips. Let me ask you, if you got some value from this today, would you please leave me a comment below and let me know if the information that you got today, if it will change your mind about Facebook advertising in the future for your business. Because we all know that social reach or organic reach on Facebook has dropped dramatically. It is into its new phases of growth within Facebook. And the way to do that is going to increase your reach, is going to be through Facebook advertising. So if these tips helped you out, would you let me know? And best yet, let me know which one you like the best. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.